Hello everybody and welcome back. And before we finish with the wireless brute force attack, let me just show you another tool that you can use in order to create a password list specified for a single person. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to make a password list with Crunch, which comes pre-installed in Kali Linux, and right now we will use a tool that doesn't come pre-installed in Kali Linux, so we will have to download it from the GitHub repository. Now open up your Firefox, and I believe the program is called Cupp with 2 P's, and we can download it from the GitHub. So let us just type right here Cupp GitHub. Hopefully it comes up. Let us just see right here. It is a Python program that is used, that basically just asks you a bunch of questions and then creates a password list for the answers that you specified in those questions. So here it is, cupp.py. It is this one, Common User Password Profiler. Click on it, and we already know how to download our GitHub program, so we just copy the link and git clone it. So here it is. Let us copy this link right here. We can close this right now. Let us change our directory. Okay, we are in the root directory. Let me enlarge this and view this and zoom in. And we will git clone, then paste the name of that program, .git. This will finish in a few seconds. Here it is already done. And now if we ls right here, we will have the Cupp program there, installed. So let us change the directory to our program, and we can see we basically get the cupp.py file and testcupp.py file. Now, I believe that the testcupp.py file is basically just checking if there is anything that you need to download before you run this program. Choose the section you want to download. Now, checking if, let me just see what it says right here. File will be downloaded from, okay, we want to download. Oh, it is already downloading it. Okay. Saving dictionary. Okay, so now if we run it again, it should be all okay. Or not, it should actually, not really sure why it prompts us with this, but I don't really think we need to do this. So let us just run the program itself. If we run here cupp.py, you'll see that it has some of the options available. It is not that big of a program. What we want to do right here is we want to run in the interactive mode, which is this option right here, or just -I. So interactive questions for user password profiling. So we want to do that. Let us clear the screen. So cupp.py and then -E. You will see that it won't print the options available. It will actually print some of the questions right now. And it says right here, insert the information about the victim to make a dictionary. If you don't know all the info, just hit enter when asked. So first name, let's say first name is, I don't know, John. It asks a lot of questions, so we'll just specify it right here. Let's say nickname is also John. Oh no, let's actually say Joe is a nickname. It doesn't really matter. Birth date would be day, let's say 0, then 06th, and then 1991. Partner's name, we do not know. Let's say partner's nickname, partner's birth date, we do not know. Child's name, Josh, it doesn't really matter. You can just specify all of these options if you wanted to. I will just click enter right here, so we do not waste our time in order to proceed with the password list making. Do you want to add some keywords about the victim? Let's say we want to add some of the keywords. Please enter the words. So let's say we want to enter, for example, hacker, then comma, Wi-Fi, then comma, access point. So to add special characters at the end of the words, let's say we want to add some random numbers at the end of the words. We also want to add some random numbers. Lit mode, yes, no. Let's say no right here. Now lit mode basically means it will only print out it will use the mix of words and numbers for example 4 is A, 1 is I, and so on and so on. And we can see that it finished making our password list, and it is saving directory to john.txt. The number of passwords is 19,000, which is not really that much. If we look at it, I'm not really sure where it saved it, save directory to john.txt. Here it is, so it is in this directory. If we cat john.txt, you will see that it used some numbers because we said to use numbers at the end. It also used the Wi-Fi name, it also used the special characters at the end, and if we scroll up, we'll see this is the date of when he was born. I believe I specified this date, or something like this. It basically just tries all of the other combinations as well. We can see the reversed John is also used right here, with bunch of characters, Josh John as well. Just Josh, and then we have the nickname, which is Joe, and then John, also with some characters and numbers. And now, let me see what else do we have right here. Well, basically that would be about it. Reversed Josh, then hacker because we specified it in a word, Wi-Fi as well, and basically just a mixture of all the things that we specified in our process of making this password list. Now, if you made a normal password list that you actually specified the correct information, you can now use it to attack the wireless, for example, or actually attack any other social media account or anything you want with this password list. But it is only specified for one person. So that would be about it for this tutorial. I just wanted to show you that there are programs like this that will create a password list for you. So you can use them if you need them. I don't really think we will need them in the future lectures, but it is good to know that they exist. And we will continue hacking in the next lectures, and hope I see you there, and take care. Bye.